Ever wonder why MrBeast's videos skyrocket in views while others barely make a splash? What's his secret? I utilized AI to dissect the tactics employed by MrBeast, Ali Abdaal, and Iman Gadzhi. What I discovered can transform your approach to content creation. Welcome to Elevancer, your destination for decoding success using digital tools and AI. Today, we're not just theorizing. We're diving into real data and advanced AI technology to reveal what propels top YouTubers to viral fame and how you can mimic their strategies. Here's our game plan. 1. Gathered videos from YouTube and Social Blade. 2. Employed Python alongside the YouTube API to extract data. 3. Examined key metrics, CTR, viewer retention, engagement rates. 4. Utilized GPT-4 to unearth keyword trends. 5. Derived actionable insights from the analysis. MrBeast's thumbnails spark emotion and intrigue. Click-through rates soar with keywords like giveaway, challenge, or you won't believe. AI highlighted these impactful keywords that elevate clicks. Check out this bar chart showcasing their performance. MrBeast often remarks, "Comment and I'll give you $10,000. This isn't just for show, it's effective. We evaluated likes and comments per 1,000 views. Using sentiment analysis with GPT-4, we identified the most powerful engagement strategies. Longer videos that keep viewers engaged utilize micro-chapters, short segments of about 2 to 3 minutes, and maintain a brisk pace. Ali Abdaal organizes his videos around story beats. Gadzhi incorporates cliffhangers approximately every 90 seconds. Our AI tools helped us categorize these formats into retention profiles. Here's an overview of those findings. The data reveals that you got to implement urgency hooks within the first 10 seconds. Integrate mini giveaways to foster engagement. Organize content with micro-chapters to minimize viewer drop-off. Let's apply this knowledge. When filming next, follow this formula. Use the hook, "I gave away X amount to strangers." Put the title, "I tried X like MrBeast or Ninja." Set the thumbnail to "Striking face" plus large font plus curiosity-driven angle. And see the magic happens. That's it for today. See you on the next video. Drop your channel link in the comments. I'll use AI to conduct an audit on one of you in the next episode. And guess what's coming next week? We'll explore how PewDiePie keeps his audience binge-watching for hours. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's unlock your channel's full potential.